Hello and welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point. My name is Bill Herr. Today I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this new listing. It is a 2021 Scout 330 LXF powered by twin Mercury 350s with joystick piloting. This boat has less than 70 hours on the engines and has been meticulously maintained. Stepping into the boat, you can see we have full Sea Dek throughout with the custom Scout boat logo down on the inside there. Got a nice molded in seat in the back there, fold down molded in seat. Live well over to the port side. Fish boxes down in the floor underneath of that custom Sea Dek on both sides. You can see the outriggers right there. Along the back here you have a nice little kitchen area, cutting board, freshwater sink. You got a pull-out Yeti that you can have as a seat as well, and then some storage on the sides. You get tackle storage along the sides over there. There's that Yeti that slides out down below. And another storage area along the side over here. Moving up to the helm, you got twin Garmin screens. There's that joystick piloting option, which is nice because you can use that skyhook feature. You can also walk the boat sideways. Digital throttles. This boat is equipped with the zip wake, and then you have your Mercury screen right there to go along with those Garmin's. That custom Sea Dek up in the top there, just to give you a spot to put phones, anything like that. VHF radio, and then all of your halo switching across the top there. You also have up under the massive hardtop, you do have skylight option with the retractable sunshade that comes off of the back. So when that retractable sunshade comes out, you do have two skylights up top there. This is equipped with Fusion head unit with JL speakers throughout. You can see the twin subwoofers down there underneath the helm. Incredible sound system for this boat. Great for entertaining. Tons of seating. Nice high gunnels as you get up towards the front. Just an incredible boat all around. Amazing ride. Down into underneath the console, you can see you're able to sleep too. Vacuum flush head, discharge, sink. You do have air conditioning down here. All your switching, that Fusion stereo. You can see the fenders there do have fender clips as well, so you get that nice quick connect, easy to set up. Nice big solid door here. Easy to close, easy to get down into. Again, that custom Sea Dek heading up into the bow area. Probably the best area of this boat. Just Scout did a phenomenal job with this, the way they molded in the backrest there. Very comfortable. You do have the high-low table here. It goes into, right now it's in the lowered position. You can raise that up to the mid position there and add a bow filler cushion, and also have it as a casting platform if you're fishing. And then you can bring it all the way up as the table option. If you wanted to go out for some cocktails or a little dinner sunset cruise, you could do that. Do have windlass controls up here at the front. Pan back around. Awesome lounge seat right there in front of the helm station. Front of the console, you got your cup holders, it's got the fold down rests, and then you also have storage underneath of that. Panning up to the top, nice huge light bar as well as the Garmin radar, and you can see the hookups for the outriggers up there as well. Again, this is a 2021 Scout 330 LXF. Boat is in amazing condition. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a private showing, you can reach me, again, Bill Herr at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My number is 484-680-4392. Thank you, and I'll see you on the water.